Hey guys, this is Axel from Pedal Electric. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to use your DZ41 display. You're going to have an orange button down here, which is going to be your power button. You're going to have an M button, which stands for your menu button, and then a plus and a minus. This is going to toggle your pedal assist levels. So when you first get into the display, you can press and hold the power button. And within the first 15 seconds, you can press and hold the menu button. That's going to bring you into the long menu. The UN is going to be the toggle between miles per hour and kilometers per hour. So it's the first step in the menu, and you can click up, and that's going to change whether it's on going to read miles per hour or kilometers per hour. You can click the M button again. The OF here is actually going to be your pedal assist settings, so you can change how many levels of pedal assist you want, whether it's 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 8 and 10. And this gives you a wide array of levels for your pedal assist and that you can tailor make for yourself. It's going to come with 5 out of the box, so we're going to keep it on that. The IN is going to be your inches for the wheel. So this is set as a 24-inch wheel. This is the tire and rim combined. This allows an accurate reading for your speed sensor to give you how fast you're going on miles per hour or kilometers per hour. So this is not necessary to touch with the same wheel size that you have. The SP setting, this is going to be your power setting. It's going to be denoted by a km/h. This is actually a percentage setting. It's going to come as a class 2 out of the box, which would be legal in all 50 states. It's going to be set at 32%. If you wanted to bump this up into off-road mode, we suggest that you don't go past 65% here. This is really the sweet spot. So 65% here is going to allow you to gain that 28 mile an hour plus on this. Do note that this is off-road mode and this is not legal for street use. The LS here is going to be for your light switch, whether it's toggled on or off. Again, you don't really need to touch this at all. Whether it's off or on, it's not going to be a negative or a positive. You can press and hold the M button again, and that'll bring you back to the menu. All right, so your general menu here is going to have your speed. You're going to have your trip mileage. This is not your actual mileage that's on the bike. This is just for the trip. Your pedal assist is going to be right here in red, and this can be changed by toggling the plus button and the minus button. You can also press the menu button once more. That'll give you your average speed that you're averaging on this trip. You press it again. This is going to be your top speed, max speed that you have been at, and then also the total mileage that's on the bike. To change this trip out, you can press and hold the M button. Press the M button once, and that's going to recalculate your trip. If you want to gauge a certain ride and how far you're going, this is going to be your trip there, and that'll be the way to reset that. So to get into night mode, you're going to press and hold this plus button. This is going to power on the illumination to the front headlight and the rear tail light, and then you can press and hold the plus button again to turn off night mode. And then now the lights will not be on, but the brake lights will be on.